Recently, in the Community Art Center in Vevay, Indiana, we did an art academy, and it had a lot of different art students come, and these are my painting students that I had. They did drawing, here they're making a color wheel. We learned about color and how it works. We did several paintings. We even painted upside down. We painted abstract paintings, and here they are working on their abstracts. And it was so funny to see them. It was a little difficult to get started, but boy, once they started slapping that paint around, it got real fun real quick. They used all sorts of tools. They used palette knives, forks, aluminum foil, all different kinds of tools to create their abstract paintings. This is their final work. They had a notebook to keep notes in. And there are several paintings, and then you're going to see their group paint picture at the end here. And there they are.
Big shadow on your face. Okay.
We had to get that hat out of the way.
Right here. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.